Hey, what's up everybody? Billy Haley here, Director of Education at MyMedic, and today we are checking out the CycleMedic. This is a really cool kit designed by cyclists for cyclists. A lot of us here at MyMedic ride quite a bit, and we have designed this to be sleek, lightweight. It has the ability to mount on any frame out there, whether it's a road bike, a mountain bike, suspension, doesn't matter, you're good to go with this guy. Let's first look at the bag and then we'll check out the contents and what's inside the bag. So, a couple of cool features. The bag itself is waterproof. It does have all the welded seams. The zipper is water resistant as well, so it keeps everything nice and dry if you get caught in the rain or whether you're out riding in the mud and slop, all your stuff in here will be protected. You do have a little grab handle here up top. You'll see the logos here, and then you also have little logos on the straps themselves. All those are reflective, so we're keeping safety in mind with this thing as well. You do have a few different options on where you can mount this, whether it's top tube, down tube, whatever you're gonna use it for, because we do have it set up so you can use this pretty much anywhere on your bike. The Velcro straps are super handy, and again, wherever you're gonna put this on your bike, there's always a spot that you can use these different lacings and straps for. So let's go ahead and talk about what's inside. I'm gonna lay everything out and explain each piece one by one. So you might notice everything's a little wrinkled and crinkled, right? That's not a problem. It doesn't affect the actual items at all. It's just because we are able to pack so much stuff in this sleek little bag that it kind of comes out a little crinkly. But again, it doesn't affect anything inside the wrappers or anything like that. It's still completely good to go. This kit is really cool in that this has everything from life-saving items all the way down to little bumps and bruises and scrapes that you might get if you crash on your bike. You do get 2 chest seals, the blister mod, the conforming gauze, skin glue, some Cocos drink additive, quick clot hemostatic agent gauze, a tourniquet, sting relief pad, some tubular gauze, a little kit here for those minor bumps and bruises, so you get hand sanitizer, some bandages in there, some ibuprofen, some sunblock. You do get 2 very large bandages, chamois cream, and of course an antiseptic towelette. So as you can see, this is a very complete kit. It covers all like the little things you might get if you go down on the trail or the road, all the way to those major life-threatening injuries. If you ride a bike, at some point you're gonna go down, whether it's on the trail or the road, whatever. It's just kind of part of the game, no big deal. We got you covered with this kit. All right guys, that is it for the CycleMedic. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay alive.